to 69. By himself over on the left side, now throwing it in reverse. Going right by the 781 of Jack Dodd. Everybody scattered out all over the track. 167 cars, Jerry Dodd. Somebody's going to get on. Down Martin, get a 69. And the 69 is gone on. Doing the damage to the 781 side. And there we go. I want to see the 7 side by side. It's 781 on that side. Looks like the Browns for the 41 car. Corey Davis has the top going. Gary Dodd in at 157, putting it on Arthur at 69. Count continues on the 41 car. Looks like he's not having any success moving that car. That third escort is sitting right in the middle of the track, not moving. And he's trying to go slowly, but he's going to have to make a hit. Martin at 69 car still having problems. Looks like that Ford just doesn't want to move. Again, that 69 car having some problems as it comes to speed on John Hart. This is going to be another Gary Dodd. And Gary Dodd is on the way to 69 US. On John Hart. On continuing on Brother to the 69. So we have 3 cars left running out there. We're going to run them until we have only one left. Third on to the 69 US. And now John Hart finally breaking that stick, but he's going to keep being hit. Third on to the 69 US. Going after the 167 of Gary Dodd. And now Dodd backing up. Let's see what Dodd's got on his mind as Dodd moves forward. Now he backs up ever so slightly, continuing to back up. As everybody gets themselves around, roll on the left corner of the track. Three cars still running. We're going to keep it going until we have only one left. Here comes third on to the 69 US. He's got some speed. Oh, he goes right by the 167. Up here he is. Here comes the 781 of Jack Dodd as Jack Dodd hits it into the 69 US. Third on to the 69 US car moving forward. backing up by himself alongside the 41 car. And Dodd moves forward, still not making a hit. Now he's chasing down onto the 69 car. As Ted Hurst puts sideways, continuing to push him sideways. Here's the 781 Dodd. Dodd and Dodd, side by side, 167 and 781. They'll work together on the 69 to left. Move on to that 69 left car. Looks like he's going to have to take two people if he wants to win this one.
He's trying out there.
As Gary Dodd supposedly missing the 69 US. And we have some going on there. Some going on the 69 US car. Count continuing on the 69 US. Looks like we could very certainly be down to a Dodd versus Dodd showdown unless Kurt Hurst is somehow able to get that forward started again. And that's it for Hurst. That does it for the 69 US car as he breaks his stick. We are now down to Dodd versus Dodd. And the count started temporarily on the 781, but he got it started right away. How many out there think your winner's going to be the 167 of Gary Dodd? How many think it's going to be the 781 of Jack Dodd?
Look how he did the soda bottle and they were kicking it around. She realized it was empty and she shoved
Here
it
comes the
over there.
167 of Gary Dodd. And he completely misses the 781 car. Now he goes in reverse. Makes the hit that time. Rear end to rear end they go. 167 and 781. Count going on the 781 car. Count continues on Jack Dodd in the 781. And he starts it back up again. And right away he stalls. Carried out at 167. Thought about making a hit on him. Here's up to 781 and the 167. There we go. Jack Dodd in the 781, throwing it in reverse, chasing after the 167 of Gary Dodd. Well, that time the 781 able to put a big hit on the 167. Here he comes again. Side by side, Dodd versus Dodd. Trying to be our winner of the compact cars. Now it's 781 stalled. Started it back up and sounds like it wants to die again, and it does. And he gets it going right away. All right, let's see if we can get the video going on. Well, he stalled one more time.
Somebody's nap on it.
Count continues on the 781. And he's got it started again. Yeah, I guess he does. Now he's stalled. 781 side by side.
But yeah, that's admitting defeat that you're stronger than her. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Well, it's 781 stalls again.
Give me a kiss. Tell Daddy thank you.
Just able to get it restarted one more time.
Thank you, Mama.
Well, looks like the 167 may have stalled.
That's enough.
And he did, but just temporarily. Put on the brakes that time of the 781. Made a step here, that driver was going to anybody. He did have his foot on the brake. Here comes the 781. Now going on the 167.
Joey hit the bottle because you said enough, and he's like, no more, bye-bye, and she goes to take off her dress. No!
Count continues on the 167. Count is continuing on the 167 car. And he got a hit, so he's back in. As the count stops, now he stalls again.
Dodo, Daddy has your juice over my hip.
Continuing on the 167. We are in a 10 down. And that's it. Your winner from Oshkosh, sponsored by John Farm and by Big Belly Motorsports, number